Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Claude Desktop application on your computer. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you can directly search for this link that says claude.com/download, or you can also separately search for Claude for desktop, and then you will be landed here on this particular page. Now over here, you can download the Claude software for Windows, and you can also download it for Mac. So you can just simply scroll down a bit in order to see the download options based on your device. So I'm just going to simply click on the option of download. Now as you can see, the setup is going to start downloading. So you just have to simply click on it, then you need to double click on it, and then simply click on the option of install. Afterwards, you just have to follow further installation process in order to basically install it inside your desktop. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. When you open the Claude application inside your account, you need to sign in with the help of your Claude account. So this way your conversations, your projects, and the memory and the performances that you were using on Claude.ai in your web browser are going to be synced across your devices when you signed in. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.